Today we're going to bring LED gloves, all right? These are half gloves. They're not full gloves, so they're only 2 fingers that extend to it. And basically, you just push the button once, you push them again, they turn off, all right? These are actually pretty good outdoors. They're outdoor graded. I wouldn't wash them because the electronics are built in here, but you could charge them on the side. If you guys can see it, they do give you a charger for the two. It's a Type-C. This is perfect if you're going to work outdoors in the night, in the dark. If you're going to change your tire, carry these in your car. They give you a little pocket too, a little handheld, so you could take it with you on the road. If you're outdoor, if you're working outdoor at night, another great accessory to have. So in construction and in working in indoors and cabinets and undergrounds, this is perfect. So let's go ahead and put it to use.